Good day, my name is Henry Lynch from J&H Lynch Liquid Screed and Spray Rendering. We're just about to get some of our kit on the back of the vans for a brand new liquid screed and spray rendering job. So we're going to take this opportunity to take you through some of the kit that we have on board. Primarily when we are supplying and installing liquid screed, we use the Compact Pro 80. Essentially we have a pre-mix lorry that turns up, places its supply into the back of our Compact Pro 80 and we distribute it to where it needs to go. However, sometimes we need to lay our liquid screed much thinner. That means we need to use a bagged product. So we then use the Ritmo L+, our 240 volt machine. We bang the bags on the top and distribute this to exactly where they need to go. We have several uses for our hopper, gun and compressor, one of which is for the installation of thin coat silicone-based render. The other is for the installation of the primer, and the primer goes beneath the base coat and it increases adhesion and stops the substrate sucking at different rates. We use the compact air compressor from CES Hire. This machine allows us to compress air through our hoppers and guns. On our larger thin coat silicone based rendering stores, we tend to use the Drop Pro 8P from Euromare. This allows us to install more 1.5mm aggregates onto our projects much more consistently and efficiently. This piece of kit is called our dosing machine. It is used simultaneously with our liquid accelerator. Essentially, the water supply is connected here. It goes through our dosing machine, taking up the correct amount of accelerator, then passing that into our machine and mixing it with our render system. The accelerator is used to speed up the curing process, which allows us to complete projects quicker and to a better standard. As I'm sure you're aware, most of our rendering stores require a water supply. This pump allows us to create the correct amount of pressure on site at all times. We are J&H Lynch, the liquid screed and spray rendering specialists across the south of England. We are well versed with the installation of thin coat, silicone-based render systems, monocouche render systems, and external wall insulation, including the supply and installation of anhydrite and cementitious liquid screed.